Hello friends, welcome to you on this very nice video, very informative video, which is on a topic whether a person who is encroacher can construct a building over the land of some other person. If he has constructed building on a land of some other person, then what kind of right that person who is actually claiming to be the rightful owner of that land, what kind of remedies that are available to him. So a lot friends, in this case I want to discuss a case which is recently held by Honorable Supreme Court of India on 3rd of February 2023 by Supreme Court of India in case of Beni Prasad versus Durga Devi. In this case, the Honorable Supreme Court of India has considered the case in detail, and before coming to the decision of the Honorable Supreme Court of India, I want to bring you to the facts of the case. In this case, the Beni Prasad has constructed a building over the land of Durgavati, and Durgavati has later, after construction of the land, has reached to the civil court and for the purpose of getting injunction decree, that is a mandatory injunction, and that civil court has given two findings. First finding is that Durgavati is the rightful owner of the property, and second is the Beni Prasad has wrongfully made construction over that property. However, to agree that order, the Beni Prasad has moved to the court of ADJ, that is the first appellate authority, first appellate court, and the first appellate court though has confirmed the findings of the trial court, however has modified the judgment and stated that because the application of the rule of acquiescence and the doctrine under section 116 of the Evidence Act, as the Durga Devi was keep silent, has not raised any kind of objection during the construction, so she cannot claim recovery of the property by demolition of the entire building, though she can claim compensation which is at the rate of the filing of the suit, which is at the time of the filing of the suit, should be payable by the Beni Prasad to Durgavati, and because of the rule of the acquiescence agreed by that order, Durgavati has moved to the Honorable High Court, and the Honorable High Court has set aside the judgment which has been passed by the ADJ and upheld the judgment of trial court. Agreed with that order of High Court, the Beni Prasad has moved to the Honorable Apex Court of India, that is Supreme Court, and the Apex Court has considered all aspects in very detail. And Apex Court has categorically held that for the purpose of getting benefits under statutory protection under Section 51 of the Transfer of Property Act, the very important thing is whether a person who is encroacher is transferee within the meaning of transfer of property, whether he is really a transferee, and to test whether a person is really a transferee or not is to be determined on the basis of three facts. First,
the first condition is that the occupant of the land must have possession under color of title. The second condition is his possession must not have been mere possession of another but adverse to the title of the true owner. And the third condition is he must be under the bona fide belief that he has secured good title to the property in question.
and if these three conditions have been fulfilled, only in that situation the person who is encroacher actually could be treated as transferee. So whether he is transferee or not, the Beni Prasad has failed in this test, and therefore he cannot be treated as transferee. By mere keeping a silent, and mere could not be filed a civil suit for the purpose of restraining the defendant from making any kind of encroachment. It cannot be said that she has lost her right to claim over her property. Therefore, the property, she is very much entitled to recover property. Therefore, the Honorable Supreme Court of India has directed to demolish the building and hand over the peaceful and vacant possession of the land and the land to the Durgavati, and also restrain the defendant from making any kind of encroachment on the land appertaining thereto. So, therefore, under these facts and circumstances, can be very much said that no person who is having defective title, who is not having bona fide belief that he is having possession of the land in a rightful and true manner, cannot purchase the property of another person against his will. So therefore, friends, if you feel that this video is very nice and you feel that this video is very informative, then please make sure that you send your comments in huge manner, send your likes in huge manner. I shall be very thankful to you for watching this video. Thank you, friends.